So, rose water is an awesome toner because rose is an astringent, meaning that it tightens the skin. So, it's been a while for me, but I made some rose water, and there are a few different methods for making rose water with those each different methods yielding or some of the methods yielding more concentrated results than others. But in this video, I'm going to make rose water by infusing dried rose petals in water in the fridge for 2 weeks. So let's get started. So I used about 1/4 cup of dried rose petals and 1 cup of water. And the recommendation is to not use store-bought roses as they tend to contain nasty chemicals. And I believe I read that dried rose petals work better anyway. So you could probably find these at a health food store or the like. Um, the other recommendation is to use distilled water. But you can also use fresh rose petals if you would like to. So in the past, I have made rose water by simmering the petals, but I did see this method that involved soaking the petals for a length of time in the fridge instead. And I figured I'd try that. I have this infuser bottle that I put the rose petals in. I put them inside of the canister that's inside of this bottle, and then I poured water into the other part of the bottle, and I put it in the cover that it comes with, and I placed it all in the fridge. And you can kind of see the color is coming out already, that pretty pink color. And so we just wait, and boom, there you have it. 2 weeks later, my beautiful rose water. So I'll use it mostly on my skin as a toner, but you can use it for aiding with wound healing, treating sunburns, or just to freshen up your room if you would like. And that's all I have for now on rose water. Take care.